Hi and welcome to Everyday Cocktails. Today we're going to do the Whiskey and Ginger Spritz. So first of all, for our Whiskey and Ginger Spritz we're going to need 1/2 of lemon. We are going to need some ginger. Today's ginger will be supplied by Great Uncle Cornelius's famous spiced ginger. It's a James White product from Suffolk. It's very sweet, but it's got a massive ginger kick, which is fantastic. But because it's so sweet, you won't need sugar syrup with this product. So let's start by juicing the lemon. And we get our shaker. Top it up with ice. And we pop in our 1/2 lemon juice. Right, now, next part of this beautiful cocktail is our famous spiced ginger. Remember, as I said, this James White product is very sweet, so you won't need sugar syrup with this. So we are using our measuring devices, 2 fluid ounces or 60 ml. 1, 2 of those. Then the main ingredient. Today we're using the Balvenie Double Wood 12-year-old single malt, and again our measurement is 60 ml. It's quite a lot, but you need to taste it. No half measures. So now we shake, and we add some ice to our glass. We then pour in our mixture. We top up with soda water, fizzy water, whatever you like to call it. Give it a stir. And a small garnish. Small garnish of mint. And there we have it, our Whiskey and Ginger Spritz.